Hello everyone, friends. This is Velar here. Today I'll show you how to install Forge for Minecraft. To do this, let's open a browser. Actually, I don't need this anymore. Search for Forge Minecraft. Click on the first result. Here you'll need to select the version for which you want Forge. I, for example, want it for version January 21st 10. Let's go. Click Installer, then wait 5 seconds. The download will begin. Click Skip, and the download starts. Next, open this file. Click OK. Our Forge is now installing. See? It's going. We're waiting for installation. I'll be back after it's done. There, it's installed. Now let's open the Minecraft launcher. After entering the launcher, you can select our Forge January 21st 10 that I just installed and played. That's all, folks. This was Velar with you. Goodbye, everyone.